The City of Johannesburg is currently sitting at about 35% of debt to revenue ratio. This is still below the ceiling set by the National Treasury of 45%. The city spends over 4 billion rand a month to finance its operations, but it's not able to raise all these monies from consumers through its services. And as a result, it raises some of the money in the markets to supplement its revenue. Residents have also been urged to pay for the services, with the city calling for greater cooperation.
We think that there is a bit of a shift in as far as the growth in the economy, which will then see us being able to realize our collection. We are currently sitting at about 86%, but we are seeing an improvement, and our commitment in terms of our collection performance is that by December we should see us getting at 90%.
Morero says the city plans to reduce its reliance on Eskom. The City of Johannesburg has taken Eskom to court, accusing the power utility of overcharging it. The city currently purchases most of its bulk electricity from Eskom. Morero says Eskom's electricity rates have become more costly, and the city is seeking affordable alternative sources of energy.
The survival of our business customers is at risk. Therefore, City Power has made the following decisions by approving and implementing the Integrated Energy Resource Plan to change the existing business model and over-reliance on Eskom. City Power seeks to engage with customers and retain them, especially business and industrial customers. Provide all customers with tariff-reducing solutions, and where possible, shield them from continuous load shedding.
Like other cities across the world, Johannesburg faces challenges ranging from unemployment, old infrastructure and poverty to rapid urbanization that adds to residents' socio-economic challenges. The Finance MMC says the city has allocated an 83.1 billion rand budget for the 2024-2025 financial year that he says will serve to close the gaps through various projects.
These projects would include, amongst others, complete streets in Orlando East to UJ Soweto route, the complete streets NMT links to public transport facilities in Orange Farm, the Fortsburg Public Environment Upgrades, Inner City Partnership Fund, the Jabulani Precinct Upgrades, Zandspruit Precinct Upgrades.
The city plans to go back to the market to raise more capital to invest in infrastructure.
We currently have a loan book of about 20 billion, and throughout the course of this year we've met our obligations as they became due. In terms of this budget, we're currently sitting at about 35% debt to revenue ratio, and the ceiling set by National Treasury is about 45%, so we're well within the ceiling, and there is capacity for us to go out into the markets and secure more funding to put more into investing in our infrastructure in the city.
Johannesburg has also allocated a 3-year capital budget of 157 million rand towards the Integrated Intelligence Operations Center for Public Safety and Crime Prevention. With over 70% of the city's revenue coming from service charges as well as rates and taxes, the Finance MMC says for the budget to be rolled out successfully, residents will also have to play their part. The city is looking to carry out further consultations on the IDP, with the 2024-2025 budget expected to be debated in the council chambers on Wednesday. Katlego Logodi, SABC News in Johannesburg.